I've got the Yo-Yo King Dr. Smalls here. I'm going to open it up, and when you open the box, you're going to have the instructions, and of course the yo-yo. This is the Dr. Smalls. First thing you're going to notice about it is small, hence the name Dr. Smalls. It's about 3/4 the size. So here you have a standard size yo-yo, and this is the Dr. Smalls. So kind of give you an idea of the size difference. So it's really neat that it fits in your hand a little bit snugger, a little smaller. Comes with the responsive bearing, and you also get some extra strings, a unresponsive bearing. This is an angled unresponsive bearing, and then some extra response pads. With the instructions, basically telling you about adjusting the string length. Basically, you want to put the yo-yo drop down from the string about your belly button height, and then to adjust the string, you want to get the end with the loop and cut it so that it's hanging down from your belly button, touching the ground, and then just retie a slip knot. And so again, here is the Dr. Smalls with those instructions. There's some other items on there talking about attaching the yo-yo to the string, which is fairly simple to do. You don't have to take the yo-yo apart to put the string on. You just untwist it like that, and I use my fingernail. Sometimes it takes a couple times there. So you separate the string, and then go ahead and rewind it back on there. And I need to wind it out. There we go. Get the tangles out, and then rewind it back on. And then to wind the string on the yo-yo, I like to put my finger down inside and kind of stop it, and it works as a brake. Wrap it around about 5 or 6 times, then pull your finger out and continue winding. And then you're ready to go. To put the yo-yo on your finger, just slip the string through there, make a slip knot. You're going to want to put the yo-yo about midway up your finger, your middle finger. Then you're ready to throw. Again, it comes with the responsive bearing on it. To replace or to put on the unresponsive, and the unresponsive means you have to throw a bind or do a bind trick to get it to come back up on the unresponsive bearing. The responsive bearing will just come right back up when you tug your finger. So there you see the bearing. Get your tool, and sometimes it takes a little bit of work to get them off. Then you want to get the unresponsive bearing out of your bag. Go ahead and snap it into place. And then when you're threading it back together, you want to be really careful not to over tighten or cross the threads. Just give it a snug fit, put your string back on, and you're ready to go. So again, this is the Dr. Smalls. Comes in a couple different color options. It comes with the responsive bearing pre-installed, and then you get the angled unresponsive bearing included. You also get the instructions. You get 3 strings, and then also an extra set of the response pads.